What's up, everybody? This is KingsEliteBreaks.com. We're doing a 2017-18 Upper Deck SP Game Use Hockey 5-box break, random teams number 5. Fresh case, as it says right there in the description. Everybody gets one random team per spot. We'll randomize the list of names and teams in the dice roller. Here's the dice roller. List of names right here from Kyle all the way down to Jordan. Forgot your one spot up there, Chris. But I know you had 3, so I'll just put you right there at the bottom. Ducks to the Jets with Vegas included in the break. Let's roll it. Roll it. 4 and a 2, so 6 times on the list of names and the teams. 6 times. Good luck. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, Jim Gray at numero uno, Jordan Hope at the bottom. There's that. 6 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 times right there. 6. We got a 6 there. 6 right here. San Jose Sharks at number 1, Anaheim Ducks at the bottom. All right, Jim. You got yourself the San Jose Sharks as well as the Winnipeg Jets. Neil with the Sens. Jordan, you have my LA Kings. Jordan Hope of my LA Kings. Neil, you have the Sabres. Chris, you have the Islanders. David with the Wild, which is Ben. Chris with the Devils. David, you have the Panthers. Jordan, Last Ball Mojo with the Penguins, as well as the Canadiens. Joe Fagundes with the Yotes. Neil, you have the Blues. Kyle with the Blue Jackets. David, you have the Vegas Golden Knights and the Edmonton Oilers. Jordan, you have the Flyers and the Dallas Stars. Jim Gray with the Vancouver Canucks. Chris, you have the Avalanche. Joe P with the Rangers. Joe Fagundes with the Maple Leafs. Jordan, you have the Bruins. Blackhawks. David with the Preds. Dan, you have the Red Wings. Jordan with the Hurricanes. Jim with the Lightning. Joe P with the Flames, Jim with the Caps, and Jordan with the Anaheim Ducks. So let's quickly just alphabetize this list. Let me copy this. I don't have to copy the arrived part. And I'll give you guys a quick minute if you guys want to make any trades. Remember that number 6, which is going to be the second half of this inner case, is already in the store. If you guys want to run back on a SP Game Use break, we can do that. All right. You never know, though, Ben. Joe P actually, it's funny. Joe P actually said that, like in number 3 or something. He's like, damn, Jason, that was a horrible randomizer. And, hey, he didn't get, the Boston or Vancouver. Obviously, the bigger teams are the bigger rookies. But let me tell you, dude hit some really, really nice stuff. And then he was like, well, I didn't get the best teams, but I did get the best hits. So it's like, hey, man, sometimes I understand the randomizer doesn't go your way, but that still doesn't mean that can't get some big hits, So good luck to you, man. And good luck to everybody. All right, so I'm assuming no trades in, right? Trade window closed. Alright, we'll just close it then. And if you guys missed the randomizing part of the video, don't worry. I have this cool little feature right here. Plays your teams right here if you missed the randomizing part. So the teams you guys got in this break will be scrolling at the bottom in case you missed it or you kind of forget. You may have a little couple more than one spot and you want to check it out. So there it is right here. Number 5. Last Ball Mojo, Pittsburgh Penguins. Good luck. Alright, so like I said, fresh case. SP game used. Well, there you go. You missed the randomizer, then you can see your teams right there, buddy. There might be some Matthew stuff in here. You never know. Do it over. All right. Really quick. All right. So I'm gonna roll a die. Choose which enter case we're gonna open up for this break. 1, 2, or 3 for the left. You know how it is. 4, 5, or 6 for the rights. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna do this side. This one will be for future breaks. All right. So 5. And we'll roll the die again. One more time. So 1, 2, 3 for the left. 4, 5, 6 for the right. Oh, there you go. 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one will be for number 6, which is in the store. Just in case, I'll put a 6. Horrible 6s, but they are 6. Kind of looks ugly. There you go. All right. SB Game is hockey. 17-18. Just quickly. That right there. If you guys want to run back a SP Game Use break, we definitely can. Or if you guys want to do some O-Pee-Chee Platinum, switch it up a little bit. That's only $13.99 a random team. 15-16, so Connor McDavid rookie here. Get yourself some McDavid mojo. And I'm going to use this blank. Kind of make it a little bit suspenseful. Alright, so the first one is Tyson Jost. 51 of 219. Colorado Avalanche. Move this over here. Colorado Avalanche. That'll be going to Chris and the Avalanche. Alright, so jersey number short print. Matt Zuccarello, 13 of 36. For the New York Rangers. Rangers going to Joe P. Valentin Zykov, authentic rookies for the Hurricanes. Carolina Hurricanes going to Jordan Hope. There you go, Jordan, on the board. Next one. Oh, this guy's been tearing it up lately. Beautiful patch. Nathan McKinnon for the Colorado Avalanche. 3 of 35. Look at that. All-Star Skills fabric. Beautiful patch in there, right? Colorado Avalanche. That's going to Chris. And the Avs. Vegas Golden Knights, Alex Tuck, 278 of 399. Vegas going to David. There you go, Ben. Authentic rookies. Vegas having a hell of a year this year, right? And Noah Hannafin. Little relic there for Carolina and Jordan. Hope. All right. There's box 1 off the board. Go to box 2. Madison Bowie, 110 of 113. Capitals going to Jim Gray. Nice one. Victor Antipin, 68 of 93 authentic rookies. That's a jersey short print. Buffalo Sabres going to Dubnik. There you go, Neil. He's actually sold very well, guys. You'd be surprised. Look at this. All-Star Skills Fabrics, dual patches, 4 of 25. Nikita Kucherov, Victor Hedman. Nice 3-color relic patch in there. Tampa Bay Lightning, Jim Gray. For the Boston Bruins, Peter Larkin, or Larkin? I'm not sure. Got to practice this guy's name for sure. Authentic rookies, autograph, Boston Bruins. That is going to Jordan. Wayne Simmons, All-Star Skills Fabric, or Stadium Series Fabric for the Flyers. Going to Jordan Hope and the Flyers. And we got Joe Pavelski. San Jose Sharks going to Jim Gray. All right, next box. We just pulled an autographed jersey of this guy, 94 of 146, Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks. Chicago Blackhawks going to Jordan Hope. We have Ladislav Kamenev, 69 of 114. Nashville Predators going to Ben. David, there you go. What do we have here? Wow, look at this. A 15 of 15 Supreme Sticks Jaromir Jagr. That's a pretty sweet relic right there of Jagr. All right, we're going to have to look this up. Because if he is in his NHL All-Star uniform, obviously he is currently playing, but he's not in the NHL anymore. He got released from Calgary. He's playing, I'm not sure where he's playing at in the world, but he's playing somewhere overseas. So if that is the case, I'm going to look this up right now in random.org. We'll do that at the end of the break. We'll look this up on Cardboard Connection. If it is under NHL All-Star, we got to go to the team he played for the longest. He's not currently in the NHL no more. He's playing overseas. And if played for the longest, tiebreaker would be games. He's played for a lot of teams, though, guys. That's going to be a tough one. It's going to be hurtful for somebody. If he was still with the Calgary Flames, I would have gave it to the Calgary Flames, but he's not there anymore. All right. So we got banner year, Nathan MacKinnon. Colorado Avalanche. We know who that's going to. And that's going to Chris. Alrighty, so there's that. More Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks. Blackhawks going to Jordan Hope. And John Gillies, 198 of 399 authentic rookies. Calgary Flames, that is going to Joe P. And the Flames. So there's that. All right, 3 boxes down. 2 more to go. Like I said, we can run back another SP Game Use break if you guys would like. Remember, the second half is already in the store of the inner case. Depending on what we pull here, somebody might want to rally on that one right away. Now we can work on some OPG Platinum. I wouldn't do that. I mean, because there is no year on this, really. You got to look at the jersey, I think. I mean, do you know what year this would be? I mean, there's no really telling what year this would be. This is old school for sure. I mean, Yager looks really young in this. This is an old Eastern Conference NHL All-Star jersey, so it'd be kind of tough. This isn't like last year's, you know what I mean? This is from what, 1996. So I wouldn't do it that way. 84 of 104, Noah Hanifin. Carolina Hurricanes, Jordan Hope. Yeah, no. If it was like the All-Star Skills fabric like this, you would see this on the back. You know, you would see it linked. You know what I mean? You would see it linked right there. But it's kind of different. Pasternak, 38 of 134. Boston, Jordan Hope. We got a Tyler Seguin, nice one, 2 of 15 premium relic patch and the ink. Dallas Stars, Jordan Hope. That's a nice one right there. I'll check the shoulder, but I still think it's fair to randomize it because he's not currently playing on a team, you know? Or look at the checklist. See, I mean, not the checklist, but look up to see, you know, team he played for the longest. Connor Sheary, Pittsburgh Penguins, Jordan Hope. Yeah, Jordan's having a really nice break so far, right? San Jose Sharks, Jim Gray. Dual, Skill Fabrics, Brent Burns, Joe Pavelski. And we have Dennis Jerzyanov, 234 of 399. Dallas Stars for Jordan. Alright guys, last box. Remember, at the end of the break, I'm going to give away a t-shirt, and then I'm going to give away these 3 relics. Right there. Actually, I'll add a 4th one. Might as well. I'll add this Backstrom to make it top 5. Get a prize. So number 1 is going to be the t-shirt. These will be 2 through 5. Alright guys, last box. Then we'll take a look at that Yager. Yeah, he's playing in the Czech league. So look at this is the rules that I came from, and I think I'm gonna go by them. I mean, because obviously I set the rules, and I'm gonna keep it that way. Yeah, right. So the way I came from is that if he's currently playing on the NHL and it's in an all-star uniform, and in the checklist it doesn't state the team he's actually on, I go by the team he's currently playing on, right? But obviously he's not in the NHL no more. He's not with the Calgary Flames. He's playing overseas in the Czech Republic. And if it's not a team associated with that card, then I go by team you played for the longest. And if there's 2 teams tied with years, then you're going to go by games. And then, I don't know, I think you'd have to go by goals next. I'm not sure. But if, yeah, so like I said, if he played for the Penguins the longest, then that's going to go to the Penguins. But I always just like to show everybody in the chat and in the video, so that way everybody doesn't think, oh, this is a scam, blah, 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 you know. I like to be fair as possible. You guys are hilarious. Alright. Last box, guys. Good luck. 67 of 115. Miryanov. Colorado Avalanche. Chris. Then we have a Brandon Lemieux. 46 of 114. Winnipeg Jets going to Jim Gray. Josh Ho-Sang, 78 of 221. Islanders, going to Chris. Hey, Jordan had a handful of spots in this break, guys. Wow, look at this. Tyson Jost, banner year. 9 of 15. Colorado Avalanche. What a break. Avalanche. Chris. Look at that one. Yeah, exactly, right? It is pretty insane that he's played for that long. Sweet card. Then we have Patrick Laine. Banner year. Winnipeg Jets. Winnipeg. Going to Jim Gray. There you go, a little Laine relic. Banner year. And Clayton Keller. Rookie sweaters. 177 of 199. The Yotes going to Joe Fagundes. And the last one, Matt Duchene. What a break for the Colorado Avalanche. Avalanche going to Chris. And there you go, guys. That was the break. So let's just quickly double check on this card really quick. If the checklist doesn't associate a team on it, we're going to go by the team who played for the longest. And then I'll randomize the list of names. And then we'll give away a t-shirt and a couple of relics. Alright, so let's open up Cardboard Connection really quick. Speed game used. Hockey. Open that up, and then in case we'll open up Hockey Reference. Alright, so this was a Supreme Sticks. Serial number 1 through 15. And we're going to go Yager, Jeremier. Here it is. All-Star Team. So there you go. They have it under All-Star Team, Stick. So there's an All-Star Team patch and All-Star Team Stick. Supreme. And that is card number PAJJ. Alright, so it's under All-Star Team, guys. So let's quickly just type in Yager. My God, he played in 1991. Can you believe that? And look at all the teams he played for. Woohoo! All the way down here. Pittsburgh for 11 years. So there you go. It's going to the Pittsburgh Penguins and Jordan Hope. And that is the last spot mojo. Pittsburgh Penguins. So there you go. And if there was any like, oh no, that's really, this should go to the team he was on 1996. Well, if you look closely, you can kind of spot out a little Penguins logo. Which 1996 he would have been with Pittsburgh Penguins. So there you go, guys. That was the break. Now let me just quickly randomize the list of names in this team, in this break. I'll give away a t-shirt and some relics. Top 5 will win a prize. We got a 2 and a 2 4 times. Top 5 win a prize. T-shirt at number 1, and then we'll give away some relics. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final time. After 4 times, Jim Gray, numero uno, with a t-shirt for Jim Gray. Jim also with the relic, Joe P with the relic, Kyle with the relic, and Jordan Hope with the relic. So there you go. Top 5 win the prizes. So t-shirt at number 1, and then we'll just throw it in like this, right here like that. So there you go, guys. KingsLeagueBreaks.com. We have another one of these in the store. 5-box break number 6. We have some O-Pee-Chee Platinum in the store. So get it going. KingsLeagueBreaks.com. My name is Jason. See you guys next time.